Look past the headlines and picture Earth as a life support system with warning lights on the dashboard. Planetary boundaries are those warning lights. There are 9 of them that keep conditions stable enough for human life on Earth. Climate change, biosphere integrity, land use, fresh water, nutrient cycles for nitrogen and phosphorus, ocean acidity, air aerosols, the ozone shield, and the flood of novel entities like plastics and industrial chemicals into our environment. Scientists mapped out 9 of these and quantified them and found that they are all interlinked. Push one of these boundaries too far and the others are soon to follow. And here's where we stand. We've already pushed 6 planetary boundaries past the safe line. Climate change is beyond its boundary, nature is degraded beyond safe levels, forests and other land systems are below safe thresholds. The global water cycle is off track, and nitrogen and phosphorus pollution are far too high. Novel entities like plastics are already in the high risk zone. Ocean acidity is close to the line. Aerosols are just within the safe space at a global scale, but harmful within certain local regions. And the only good news is that the ozone layer is healing. Check out my previous video on this. So why do we keep crossing planetary boundaries? Well, it's because our politics is focused on short-term national decision-making. Election cycle windows result in only thinking to the next election cycle and exporting costs to the long-term future. The global commons has no vote, so it will keep getting ignored until it's too late. Here is how a senator serving a seat for humanity makes this real. Imagine every vote in our parliament comes with a 1-page boundary test. Before the senator casts that vote, their office gets an independent science brief on what the bill or proposed law does to climate, nature, land, water, nutrient cycles, oceans, aerosols, the ozone, and chemicals. The minister must make a statement of compatibility with planetary boundaries, just like we do for human rights. If the analysis shows that we push further outside the safe space, the senator moves for amendments to bring it back inside planetary boundaries. If government refuses, the senator will vote no and publish the evidence. Budgets get the same treatment, with clear targets to move each breached boundary back towards safety and annual public reporting so that progress cannot be buried. This is what a permanent voice for the long term and global commons looks like within national decision making. Now, just imagine similar voices within every country's government around the world. This is how we make sure that our children inherit a living planet and not a dead one.